This is the kind of bullshit that I have to deal with. Guys, if you're if you just want to give up, if you want to be fat, if you want to be a loser in your life, do what you want, it's okay, it's fine. Just say that you're the problem. Admit that you're the problem and you just want to be a fat loser. It's fine. That's your life, You're gonna carry that weight and suffer, nobody else. But don't come online and make excuses and say, oh, it's life, oh, it's mental overload, oh, it's this and that. You're stupid. I'm telling you, those people are the problem. They do not do anything to change their life or improve themselves in any way, but they will come online and complain. This time you spent online commenting like an idiot. You could have been in the gym and you could have eaten healthy for once.